found a schoolie that came in and parked right there. It's pretty dark.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes.
It's not that big of a trail.
Yeah. Go to the footbridge.
Yeah.
Come on.
Me three.
What? Where are y'all going?
To the footbridge. I'm gonna go on this bridge. I don't know what it's called, but it's a bridge. A tall bridge, whatever. But
So as she mentioned, this is our second KOA and our 5th destination on our trip. And we are all together as a family walking on a nature trail. It's Friday night, Mom works tomorrow, and we are seeing some cool stuff when we can. Ooh.
I'm also heard it rustle.
It is cool. Honey, where'd you go? What is it? I want you to talk to me. Talk to me.
I'm talking to you, beautiful.
Okay.
Let's go.
How's it going? How are you feeling?
Feeling great. Go, guys, go.
Wow, a hidden treasure. Wow.
Come on, let's go to the next building.
Beautiful.
Bridge somewhere over there. I think there's a bridge that goes across it. There's actually 2 bridges that go
We'll
across
see.
it.
It's a green miracle. It's like a fairy forest.
Mom, look at this.
I think I've heard that before. Logan says the United States has an Amazon.
Look, there's another trip.
Babe, where's the Amazon at?
Your son just said Arizona.
Uh-huh. Where's it at?
That's not the right answer. It's Northwest America. Get our way.
Tell us. Tell the viewers where it's at.
America, Washington, and all that.
Oh, so Washington is considered like an Amazon?
Yeah. I
Oh,
don't think Oregon.
wow. Look at these trees. I'm admiring the trees.
Who wants to watch this walking around? Pass the ball. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Nobody.
Come on. Listen, we're all done with the nature trail and now we're hanging out. What do you mean nobody wants to watch that? That's the whole point of our show. Watching us, me and you, just us two. And other two children.
Oh, yeah.
Who are long, far, far away. Boop.
No, just all the way down.
Hey, babe. Hey, guys. What's going on? Just at the pool. Relaxing.
Okay.
So,
Day 2 at the KOA, children.
Yes.
What are we going to go do?
We're gonna pick blackberries.
Pick some blackberries on a trail, and then we're gonna go mini golfing, and then
dinner. And
We're going to have some steak. Yep. Sounds pretty good. Mom just got done working. Now let's go have some fun.
Yep. And I got my lunch.
I thought it was pretty cool that we are staying on Ash Street. Isn't it cool? Don't you think, guys? No?
yeah.
I do. Oh, there's even like a little bench over there. That's pretty cool. Look, how cute. I can sit here and cheer.
Oh, she is not.
Yes, she is.
Oh.
Yes, she is. Guys, fish for it. She was flying on us. Oh, yeah, she was right there on that tree. And she was filming.
Yeah, she was.
Wait, I'm gonna try something like this. Quiet.
Dang.
So we're going to be picking blackberries, the children and us. We just tried a couple and they are awesome. So we're going to get a whole bunch of those. This is kind of relaxing, huh? She's excited to pick some berries. Don't pick any of the red ones. Only pick the nice looking, these ones here.
This one.
Like these. These ones. Yeah, that's a good one.
Look at this
This
one.
is a good one. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them.
So guys, we're here on the trail that we went yesterday, and we got some raspberries.
Let me see your bag a little up close.
Blackberry.
Some blackberries.
Wow, those look so fresh. And we tested them. They taste fabulous.
Yep.
Mhm.
Pick some on mine.
Yes, you did. You're a big girl.
She's picking. There you go.
I got blood
Wow.
all, some juice all over them.
Got some good ones over here?
Yeah, there's some good ones
Mom,
over here.
can you open my bag?
Nobody's come over here.
Hey, Mom.
I said, man, Gabe, if you watch this video, buddy, you would be munching these up big time, bud. Well, with your raspberries.
I don't know if I recorded this yesterday.
Raspberries.
It's a mushroom. And what's funny is none of the animals are trying to eat it. Like, they know it's not any good. You ready to go home? Alright, so I just got done inside the KOA and I was very pleasantly surprised to see that it was only $1 per person for a game of mini golf. So yeah, I highly recommend it for that reason. It's a lot of fun. So let's go play some golf.
Yep, and we'll see you in 3 seconds. Bye.
All right.
Today is Sunday. How many days have we been here now, babe? So day 3. And I made a cake and it's gonna be so yummy. I can't wait. I love our oven that we have up there. It's pretty great.
I'm supposed to walk this pee bucket where everybody can see me down Ash Street.
Yes.
KOA.
Into the bathroom and
So
pour it all out
everybody
into the
knows.
toilet.
Okay guys, this is bus life
Yep.
on the road.
I am here at the KOA Children's Park where Imagine is playing. It's a nice way to pass a little bit of time during the day. Tomorrow is Monday. I'll be working and pretty much we're going to be here for 7 more days just hanging out. And Wyatt is busy scooting right now. We're just chilling. What do you need to say? I was just telling him how we're just hanging out.
Give me the camera. Give me the camera! Party apple! So hi guys, this is Imagine, and I'm sitting by the closest fire I ever seen. And the dog is right there, but that's nothing to see, and the bus is right there. The happy ow! And it's putting me, but
What do you have to say about your stay at the KOA?
yeah.
How's it going?
Stay is fun, and the dog talk is fun. And yeah, and I just got burned by the fire.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.